Hello everyone. Today we will see how to configure local M repository. So I hope everybody has the idea about local M repository. I think what is M repository. So let me give you some brief information about it. So without M repository, so if you want to install any package in Red Hat servers, either you have to download it from the Red Hat site or from the other sites. Once you download the packages, you have to install with the help of rpm command. So when you install a package with rpm command, you will face lot of dependency issues. So in that case, you have to gather all those dependency packages and download those dependency packages from the Red Hat site and install first those dependencies, and then we have to install the main package. So this is a time taking process for installing single package. So but with the help of M repository, we can create the local M repository, and then we can install any package and also any dependencies within some 2 to 3 minutes. It won't throw any dependency issues, so it will resolve automatically. So now we will see how to configure the local M repository. So configuring M repository has multiple ways. One is local M repository, and the other one is remote repository, and the third one is satellite servers. So to have the satellite server, we should have the license, so we don't have that. And to configure the remote repository, we should install the httpd packages, means Apache, and keep the data in remotely. And this one is local M repository is we should have the ISO image. That's it. So now first, before configuring local M repository, first we should have the ISO image. That ISO image you can attach it from the workstation, VMware workstation. So once you attach, mount it. So here I have already mounted the ISO image. See, once you mount the ISO image, you have to copy all the data whatever there in this directory. We should copy it to local directory in server. So once you copy that once you copy the data locally, then you can make that directory as a repository, M repository. So I will show you how to do that. So go to /run ISO image location, run media root ls-ltr. So this all the data and have to copy it to the local directory. So let me create a directory, dir /local dir. So this is, I have created this directory under root. So now I am copying all this data to my local dir directory, cp-pr. So before configuring cp-pr star means all /local dir. So this will take 2 to 3 minutes to copy all this data. So in this we use base OS and AppStream. With these two directories, we will configure the local repositories, and then we can install any package, any dependency packages, just like that. And about this key, RPM Red Hat key, I will explain during the configuration of repository. Okay. So once it's copied all the data, we don't require this ISO image, we can uninstall it, since we have all the data in the local our server local directory. So using this directory we can make it as local M repository. So that we will see once the data is copied. So the data is copied successfully. So now go to root local directory and see whether we have the data or not. Yes, we have the data. So now go to /etc m.repos.d. Sorry, spelling mistake. m.d. So this is the default location for repositories. So we have the default one redhat.repo repository. So you can ignore this, and then you can create a repositories whatever you want. So let us create base os dot repo. So whenever you are creating any repository, it's a recommended to give the extension as .repo, so that it will we can easily identify this is a repository file. So we can mention the name as base os, and the name equals to any name we can give here. So base os repository, and the base url equals to file colon. So here file colon 2 slashes is the default, and the third one is the local directory one. So here base os, this is the location for first base os directory, and enabled equals to 1. So enabled equals to 1 means, so I am enabling the local repository. Then gpg check equals to 0. So if you mention gpg check equals to 0, it means it won't check any key. For example, if you give gpg check equals to 1, it means you have to, it will check the gpg, it will check the key either we have the correct key in our Red Hat server or not. So if the key, if you don't have the key in the server or it's a wrong key, then it will throw the error. This will not work. So for example, if you have the key, then you have to mention here gpg key equals to that location. where the key is present. Okay, I will show you where it is. For example, for now I am giving gpg check equals to 0. I don't want to verify the key. So the by default all the Linux servers has the key will be, the location will be cd/etc/pki/rpm. So this is the key. All the Linux servers will have this key in this location. So if you enable that gpg check equals to 1, and then you have to mention gpg key equals to this location and this file name. Okay, I hope it's clear. Base repos, so this is fine. So I'm configuring one more dot repo. So it is also same. You have to specify the name, stream name. You can mention any name, stream repository, and base URL equals to file colon. I told like 2 slashes is the default one, and the third one is local directory slash, and then stream enabled equals to 1. It means that I am enabling the repository, and gpg check equals to 0. So I have the 2 repository, base OS and app stream. So once you configured this repositories, now try to clear the M cache first. See, almost 13 files is removed, cleared from the server. So now check repositories configured properly or not with the help of yum repo list. See, the 2 repos successfully configured. One is AppStream and the base OS. The file names we mentioned, and the name will be AppStream repository and base OS repository. So now we are good to install any package in this server. So now if you want to install any package, we no need to attach the ISO. We can directly install the command with the help of yum install and the package name. So for example, if I want to install FTP package, yum install vsftp. So it will check where this vsftp present in which repository. Oh, maybe let me give the other name. Maybe that is not the correct one. Yum install httpd. So first it will check in which repository it is configured. Then it will give how many dependencies is under this httpd package it is going to install. So for example, if you are installing this httpd package with the rpm command, first you have to install all this dependencies, and then you have to install the httpd main package. So here with the m command, automatically these all dependencies will be installed, we can see now. So here it is asking whether to proceed or not. I am giving yes, y and enter. So automatically it will install. So see, successfully installed these many packages. So I hope everybody cleared how to configure local M repository. So in future I will try to upload remote, how to configure remote M repository. That also I will upload in future. And thank you all.